of us. Okay, go ahead, please.
Just give me a second, please. Oh. I'm trying to. Okay. Now with this. Okay, so we created the app, but we're talking about the number 8, the start build date and the end build date. So going back to our objects manager, bill, and the validation rules.
Okay, just create it, right? Number 8 and number 9, it's number, if you do number 9 correctly, it should take care of number 8. So
Yes, so 1 second, please. So the first one, I want us to name it bill. The bill starts date and bill and validation. Validation. Okay, it's not taking that. So
yeah, or you want to, can you open the question for number 9? Can you open it on your system?
I can only read it out. I don't have it. I printed it out. So so it says ensure the bill start date is always less than the end date. That is, use the validation on the field.
That's number 8, right?
Yes, that's number 8.
Read number 9.
So number 9 says that ensure the difference between the start date and the end date equals the planned duration days.
Now,
That is
if the difference between the start date and the end date will give you a positive number, right? That means your end date must actually be greater than your start date for you to even have positive number. So which means if you do number 9, number 8 will automatically be correct. Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
Yes. So end date minus the start date must be equal to 30. Is that what you're saying?
Must be equal to 30, exactly.
Okay, so
what you want to do is end date minus 30 is not equals to 30. That will now throw an error.
okay. So end date minus start date
is not equals to.
It's
not equals to no. It's not equals to your planned duration, right?
Yeah, not equal to planned duration, right? Okay. Okay.
So, I don't know.
Save.
The error. You didn't put the error.
Okay. Plan duration. Sorry about this. Duration. Must be 30 days, right? So save. Okay. So we create a new bill, right? To test it.
Yeah.
Okay. The start date, let's start from October 1. Let's choose, no. Okay. Can I use this, right?
Yeah, you can test it out.
So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then we'll look up a customer, customer 1, save. Okay, must be 30 days. Okay, so let me see. It saved this one because of the difference, right?
Yep.
Okay. So, okay, let me create another one because I had this issue that it's only checked because I wrote two different validation rules.
Where's the second one?
No, like on my other projects. That's why I said it was an issue for me that I wanted to really, really understand it.
Yeah, it's
So
two questions, right? You could have just done but the whole idea is that for your end date and start date to give you 30, your end date will automatically be greater.
okay.
So that automatically answers number 8. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So now this, I don't need to write a second one then,
You
right?
don't need to answer that question 8 because question 9 has answered question 8.
It's okay. Yes. All right. Okay, let's test again, please.
No worries.
So if I'm choosing a start date and I'm choosing an end date, four, two, okay, yeah. Okay, let me try this. Let me see. Okay, now it's working. I understand now. Thank you.
All right.
So what number 11, it says that ensure, do you guys need me to copy the formula, right? Hello? Yes, please.
For which of them?
For the bill, yeah, this one.
If you want, you can paste it.
Okay. So you just pull it up instead of just pasting it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So number 11 says ensure the customer can see all the bills directly from the related tab. And
Yeah, you should, right? Go to your customer.
So customer.
Mhm.
So the
Related.
related.
Yeah. That's
But
it.
how do you automatically come here is my issue. So going by the page layout, I was trying to understand that page layout thing. How Babatope was always dragging and making sure it was evident in it, because opening this page layouts now, we try to check the related field. The related. This is just bill history. There's no bills there.
They said customer. So you want to go to your customer object. The question was asking of customer. I said you should be able to see the bill on customer. So you are going to the customer object, not the bill object.
Oh, the customer object. Okay. Okay. In the related list.
Yeah, see bill. Bill is already part of it. That's why it's grayed out. See bill at the third. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. What about the plan track record? This is it the same thing? The plan history, is it the same thing as activity history? For number 12, it says a customer can change their plans anytime.
It's not the same thing as activity history. It's the action of customer history, but you need to go and activate something. Go to your fields and relationship, right?
Okay. This one, set history tracking.
Yeah.
I
Then click
under-
on plan. Click plan.
okay, plan.
Then save. That was the question. The question says you should activate field tracking for plan on the activity or on the customer object, so that when the customer changes their plan, we can track how they are changing their plan. That is why we are only activating the plan field. So if you save that, save, and go back to your page layout. Page layout.
Yeah.
Then related list.
Okay.
Then you bring in customer history, customer's history.
Okay. Okay.
Save.
Okay.
Please, can you just take that back a bit? Can you just do that a bit? The last two
The
stuff you just did.
the question says activate tracking, feed tracking on plan, for plan on customer object. If I can't really remember the question, but the question was like the customer can change
their
their
plans
plan.
anytime.
So we want to track how they are changing their plan. You get? So that is why we come here, do field tracking for plan. Plan is a field, right? But it's like a lookup, but on customer is a field. So we activate plan history tracking we activate field history for plan. We save it.
Okay.
We go to page layout. Then we had related list. Then we had customer history.
So basically it was here and we dragged it to related.
Yeah. So you save this. You go back to your front end. Refresh this. Then you have customer history. Now, if you go to the customer, right, go to the details. Detail, just click on detail.
Details.
Yeah, and change the plan. Now go to the related tab. Refresh this. This is supposed to happen. Yeah. It's now starts tracking the plan, saying your original value was premium, your new value is standard. If you change it again, it keeps on tracking the plan field forever. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
Right.
Okay. All right. So I had sorry, another question I wanted to ask. I know it's not related to the project, but when Babatope wanted to change the layout of this front end, remove activity, drag in path, can you just go back on that for me, please?
Click on the Jira icon, right?
Okay.
See edit page.
Okay.
That's it. Then on the search on your left, if you want to remove something, you can remove it. On your left, you have access to anything you might want to drag in. That's all. You can search if you know what you're looking for.
Okay. All right.
Sure. Any other question?
For me, none.
Everyone, is everyone on the same page? Are we all good?
Hello.
For me, I'm okay too.
Great. Evening.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Have a good night.
Someone is actually, I
I'm
think
still
someone
here.
wants to ask question.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I couldn't make it for the evening session. I got off work late today. But I don't want to drag us back. I just want to, quick one. I'm having problems creating my profile. I don't know why. Maybe because it's my system administrator
Okay.
role.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah, have you created your profile?
Yes, we have.
Right. Can you just show him profiles, right?
Yes. So we cloned the standard user and we renamed it this standard user and we renamed it as customers.
okay.
Capital
You can't
S.
create a new profile, right? You can only clone.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Does that
As in
make-
we labeled it rather.
Yeah, I'm talking to Jabari. I don't know
Yes,
why he wasn't able to create. I'm just wondering.
No, I was able to clone the standard user. But
Okay.
when I was trying to check, when I was checking out the permission under it, for
Yeah.
the object, the field permission or stuff, I couldn't, it wasn't giving me the option to,
Go to click edit. Click edit, right? Edit on customer. Then scroll down, like the last.
I don't have it like this. It doesn't give me the option to check it out, to check, these check boxes. It was all locked.
You have to click
Probably
on
you clicked view. If you clicked view at the top, there should be edit.
What I did was edit. Was to edit it.
Now, if that was what happened, then maybe you are logged in with another user profile. Make sure you are logged in as a system admin, right?
Yes, I think that's what I'm using. I'll check again.
Yeah, it should. Your system admin should actually look like this. Profile, click on the profile, click on edit, then you should have access to this and you should be able to do this.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Thank you very much.
are we good?
Okay. All right, I'm good.
Great.
I'm good. Thank you.
All right now.
Thank you
John,
so much.
is he here with us? John.
Thank you.
John, I don't think so. All right now, guys. Good night.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you so much.
Good
Good night.
night.
Good night.